close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and release it slowly, letting go of all of the tension that you've been holding on to. Visualize. Imagine you're holding on to something that you're ready to release. It could be a thought, an emotion, or an old belief. Visualize it as a small object in your hands. With each exhale, feel it becoming lighter. And when you're ready, let it go. Watch it float away, knowing that it no longer serves you. Take a deep breath in. And with the exhale, silently, internally, and/or out loud say, I am free. I release what no longer serves me. And let that energy move out of your body. Take one more breath in, feeling lighter and open. Exhale out and gently come back to the present moment.